Why we can't compete with China? So, what does the evolution of capitalism from capitalism 1.0 to capitalism 3.0 mean to you? It means the once secure, well paying capitalism 2.0 jobs are being eliminated, and one of those jobs that remain, salaries are being slashed. Compare today's salaries to those of 1972. During the last 35 years, while the world economy was booming, average salary for US workers dropped 31%, a loss of more than $1,000 a month. If that's not bad enough, the cost for all basics, food, rent, transportation, and healthcare have all grown faster than inflation. North American factory workers who currently earn an average of $21 an hour are trying to compete with Chinese workers who earn an average of $0.64 an hour. When it's 30 times cheaper to manufacture in China than the US, it's not hard to figure out why American manufacturers are fleeing to China, is it? I tell you, it's scary out there and getting scarier. White collar jobs aren't doing any better than blue collar jobs. A few decades ago, a college degree would almost guarantee a nice, secure middle management job with perks and a pension. Not anymore. Capitalism 3.0, ushered in by the internet, changed all that. Sure, a few super smart techies loaded with intellectual capital are striking it rich on the internet, but those people are one in a million. Odds are you aren't one of them.